Hi guys, welcome to Sadis SFDC and this is Manoj. Agenda of this video is to know about custom fields in Salesforce. Custom fields. As discussed earlier, fields are used to store data in objects. The custom fields are added by administrator or developer to meet the business requirements of any organization. We can add custom fields in custom objects and standard objects as well. Fields may or may not be needed based on the business requirements. For creating a custom field, the administrator has to choose a data type based on the data that they are going to store. We will have a detailed discussion about these data types in our upcoming videos. Now we go to a demo and I will show you how to create a custom field in a custom object. Go to Setup and Object Manager and search for Mark. Mark details is a custom object we created in our old videos. Go to Fields and Relationships. Click New. These are the list of data types which we are going to create fields for. I will choose checkbox today. Click Next. And give a meaningful name. Here I am giving pass as a field name to store whether he is passed or not. This checkbox will be ticked if he got passed, otherwise not. Default will be checked unchecked. We can choose unchecked because user has to give the details whether he is passed or not. Click Next. Here you will set profile level field settings. Click Next and save. Now a custom field has been created successfully in a custom object. Now I will show you how this checkbox will be visible in user end. Go to Mark Details object and click New button. This is the checkbox we have created. That's all about custom fields. Thank you guys.